breaking news that's coming in at the moment. US Ambassador Sergio Gore says Donald Trump has spoken to Prime Minister Modi. In fact, Donald Trump has posted on his Truth Social site India Today's year-end magazine cover. Take a look at that cover, which was with pictures of Mr. Modi and Donald Trump together. The US Ambassador has said on the Modi-Trump talks, stay tuned. So that's the big story that's coming in at the moment. Donald Trump, Narendra Modi's cover. I have a copy of that magazine here with me, which had both of them on the cover as the newsmakers of the year in 2025. And Donald Trump has put this out on his Truth Social. Let's go straight across to our Diplomatic Affairs editor, Geeta Mohan, Foreign Affairs, joins us. Geeta, what are we gathering from these talks? How are we to interpret the fact that Donald Trump has put this on the cover of him and Mr. Modi, and Sergio Gore has confirmed that talks have taken place between the leaders?
Well, details are still awaited, but this comes even as External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar is in the United States of America. So we are seeing heightened engagement between DC and New Delhi. Rajdeep, the fact that he's put out two posts, one, the India Today cover, which is Newsmakers of the Year, and the second one, the photo of India Gate saying that their triumphal arch is going to be bigger and more beautiful than India's. But having said that, two consecutive posts on India, a conversation with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Dr. Jaishankar in the United States of America clearly means that the two sides are looking at engagement. Will that really translate into some sort of an ease when it comes to tariffs, forward movement when it comes to trade talks, is something, again, we'll have to wait and see. At a point when we are looking at various geopolitical shifts and changes, it is important that DC engages New Delhi, and that's what we're looking at right now, Rajdeep.